Here's how you can change Bitcoin address on your Cash app. So first thing is you just have to tap on bank icon on the bottom left corner. So right now this will show me the blank screen because I'm recording. So I can tell you all the process step by step. So first thing is if you want to change your Bitcoin address, it can be done in a few easy steps. First, click on the bottom of the wallet as I tell you. Then click the account name. Next, click the address type tab and then click the change button. Once done, you can see the new address in your transaction history. If you have multiple Cash App accounts, you will be able to change your Bitcoin address quickly and easily. Now, there is also some other processes like you can close your Cash App account and create a new one in order to create a fresh and new Bitcoin address. So that was the process of how you can change Bitcoin address on Cash App.